Flatbreads are always nice with a filling, and one of my friends shared this recipe with me, and I'm going to show you how to do mackerel and fresh coconut filled flatbread. For this recipe I'm using, this is a larger batch, so you can always divide this to 2 or 3. 700 grams plain flour, salt, 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons oil, and 300 milliliters warm water. That's for the dough. For the filling I am using 1 large can of mackerel and few green chilies and 2 salad onions, lemon, salt, pepper and some paprika or chili powder according to your taste, and 2 cups fresh coconut. So let's start doing this. You can use desiccated coconut in this recipe, but it's best to use the fresh coconut. If you are overseas, you can always buy the fresh coconut from the freezer section of any Asian supermarket. Let's do the dough first, because the dough needs to be rested about 30 minutes. Into the mixing bowl, or you can hand knead this one. Add the flour, into that add the salt and the oil. Then add the water and mix it. So knead this dough about 5 to 10 minutes. So the dough is ready, and I'm going to take it out and leave the dough in the same bowl covered about 30 minutes. Now let's do the filling. Add the chilies, mackerel and the onions into a food processor, and then add the salt and the chili powder or the paprika, pepper, and then squeeze the lemon into it. Now process it until fine. Once you process it fine, add the fresh coconut and process it again. So after, taste it and see whether it's up to your taste. Add salt or lemon juice and balance it. And let's wait for the dough, and I'll show you how to do this. So the dough is ready, and take it out, punch, and then cut the dough. And divide it into equal parts. The advantage is when you have time, if you do extra, you can freeze them for future use. So let's put it aside. It's best to use a little bit of oil on your fingers so it's easy to stretch. So take the dough and press. When you add oil onto it, it stretches really well. Now take a spoonful of the mix and get the ends and seal. Then bring the ends inwards and grab here and seal. And press using your fingers. A bit more oil. Make sure to press the ends, not the middle. Now using a rolling pin, roll the dough. Always roll the middle and the ends. And it's ready to cook. So I'm going to make few and leave aside and start cooking. When you do 1 or 2, start cooking, then it saves your time. So put a pan on the stove and add some oil onto it. Then cook the flatbread on both sides until golden brown. After, put few drops of oil onto the bread and then put it upside down. So now it's ready. I'm going to transfer that onto a wire rack and do the next one. I finished making the bread and they are really nice and soft. You can freeze them in individual bags and thaw them whenever you want in the microwave. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.